You guys, this is a quick, very quick video. This is my Pothos plant. This is the only one I have. If you go back a few videos, I'll try to link it down below. This is the same one that I propagated. And this is the one that I told you guys that my mother found near our supermarket. And I think the supermarket threw it out along with the other one because they thought it was dead. My mother brought it upstairs and I was able to save both of them. I gave her back one, and a few weeks later it just completely died. But this one has actually grown, and this one is, I mean, look at it. It definitely has a chance to survive. Because, I mean, come on, look at this. So, yeah. I'm not going to propagate anytime soon. I'm going to let it be because it has a lot of new growth actually, like right here, this one right here. Let me see, this one right here. So let me see, is there another one? No, but yeah. I realized I was watching something on YouTube and I don't know if like it was loud enough that it got through to the video. So but yeah, so this is the only puzzles I have. I'm really happy that this one has actually survived. I feel like you can't over water it, not just even water it, but like you can't you can't be too over attentive to it. I don't even, is that a word? You just have to let it be. Just water it when the soil is dry. Stick your finger in. If it's dry, like 1 inch, water it. I have it near on this window, and I think that it likes this place right here. It doesn't get that much sun, honestly, so I don't know why the other one didn't survive. But this one is so green and lush, and hopefully in a few more months it will start trailing down, and then maybe, just maybe like, I don't know, 6 months or something, or a year, I'll like try to propagate again. But I think for now it looks good as it is. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have any pothos plants? What are your tips on taking care of them? And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.